Production.
Yo, what is poppin', guys? So I'm gonna go over a Nio Breakdown real quick. I love this chart, the way it's looking up. So right off the hop, I'm gonna mark out this upper trend line because this is clearly what's stopping us from exceeding further at this very moment. We got 1, almost 2, right? So we can count 3, almost 4 touches here. So clearly this trend line, this downward trend line here, is holding us back. But what I do like is that we had a nice push upward, and now what we're seeing is a higher low. That's how I'm thinking of it. It could obviously come down a little bit more. What I do really like the most is that when I highlight this $42 to $43 area, it was once our supply, and now that we're over it, right? We came back. I'm going to zoom in. This is a daily time frame. So this $42 to $43, $30 range-ish, right? It was once our supply zone. It was our supply because we got knocked down again, knocked down. You could also call this resistance. But once it comes up over, right, we back tested a couple times. Now it's the third time. We want to see how strong is this zone. So you could also use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So from the low to the high of this one move here, we mark it out and we're just about at the 0.5. So if you've been watching my stuff, I got this from Fit Traders on Rick. He likes the golden pocket. I find that it works pretty well. So if it comes back to the golden pocket and it holds, that might be a sweet time to buy. Now that being said, I'm going to zoom out on the weekly time frame, right? It might have been a bearish day in the overall market today, but so far we still have minimal bear volume this week. You know what I mean? So I like this in terms of creating just a nice consolidation period. We got a pretty big triangle going on here. This could take some time to play out. It would be best for us if we seen something go on like this, right? We hold this range and we kind of stay something like that to get that breakout. We play here and then we get the breakout. That could take pretty much the rest of the summer. We'll have to see, right? Like, I really like Nio. There's some really bullish price action. I like the volume on today. It's looking nice. It is looking nice. Overall, I think the more longer term you are, the more easy of a trade it is. You could make targets, right? If it comes back to the golden pocket, which is around $39, $38, or if it comes back to 30, that's a snag, right? We got this massive demand zone at from $30 to $34. If you want to play it safe, you could, like, it might be a little bit greedy to wait, but I still do like what's shaping up on Nio here. So we got a nice healthy pullback. We're creating that higher low out of this new bullish break, right? We got from the low to the high. We got this higher low potentially being made. Now what we want to see is us get closer and closer to this trend line. And then eventually we're going to break, backtest, and run. That's what we want to look for on Nio. So that's the update. Peace.